In this video, we're going to show you how you can install Essentials, which allows you to invite friends here in Minecraft version 1.21.7 and onwards. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. Before we do though, make sure to leave a like on this video, share it with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. First things first, if you are in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of it. And yes, this does include the launcher. And open up a browser of your choice. It doesn't really matter what you open up. I'm going to use Chrome in this example, but whatever works. Now, first things first, go ahead and search up Essentials mod and then hit enter. You're going to want to find the one that is the official Essentials website. Go ahead and click on it just like so, and then find the download option on here and click on it. It's going to automatically start downloading for you, and it should look something like this. You're going to want to go ahead and click on this installer, and once it loads, it should pop up with something that looks like this. Hit get started, hit Minecraft launcher, and then you can either select a old installation or just do a new installation, which is what I'm going to do in this case. Once you're on the new installation page, just go ahead and make sure that it says 1.21.7 Fabric Essential and it says 1.21.7 for the Minecraft version or onwards if that's what you have. Hit create and install Essential, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading for you. It should say installed just like so once it's finished. Now from here, you just need to go ahead and close out of all of this and reopen up that Minecraft launcher. And once you open up that Fabric launcher, you should see that there is a Fabric Essential thing in here for version 1.21.7. If it's not the first thing on here, click on it and you should see it in here. Once selected, go ahead and hit play. It should pop up with a notice if it's your first time launching into this. Just go ahead and tick this box and then hit play again, and you'll go ahead and get loaded in. Once you get loaded in, you should notice that it looks completely different here within Minecraft. Click single player and find whatever world you want to go ahead and use. In this case, we're actually going to do this Skyblock world right here. If you want to learn how to download classic Skyblock, that's actually our last video, so check that out. But once you are in game, you just need to go ahead and hit escape, and you should see an option for invite. Go ahead and click on that option and then tick all these boxes and hit continue. Hit proceed again, and then you can go ahead and customize more of the basic world settings. Go ahead and hit next again, and you can find your friends on this section. Now keep in mind, your friends will also need to have this Essentials mod installed, so make sure to send this video to them. It's such a quick and easy setup. Once you do have them on here, just go to the social section just like here, and you can add them through this friends tab. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. We'd be happy to help you out even more. And have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.